Hi, this is Bryn Elliott. I'm here in the hallway at my office at Douglas Elliman Real Estate, and we're currently having an office meeting. I just stepped out really quickly. Go ahead, I'll jump in there. And it's actually the number one office year after year. It's 2016 right now. We're the number one office in Suffolk County by the number of homes sold, and there's a reason for that. And I just wanted to show the attendance at the office meeting, and it's the group of realtors here. They're just very, very focused on their business, extremely professional. The attendance at this office meeting it's just something. It's a rare thing in real estate, and Jim's obviously very professional too. But
Lean will send you that help. Everybody want that? Lean will send you how to pull that.